Pyare Huzur.
Walaikum Assalam wa
My
rahmatullah.
question is related to Waqf-e-Zindagi, and I was wondering, those that are Waqf-e-Zindagi, are they allowed to partake in part-time jobs?
Waqf-e-Zindagi, if you have done waqf and you are serving as a regular Waqf-e-Zindagi in the Jamaat, then you will have to seek permission. If you are permitted to work outside as a part-time employee, you can continue. Otherwise, you are not permitted to do it, you cannot do it. ठीक है?
Jazakallah Huzur.
Normally, we don't allow Waqf-e-Zindagi to work outside. So in certain special cases, हम दे देते हैं इजाज़त, but it's not a general principle. ठीक है?
Jazakallah Huzur.
ठीक है.